Let's begin by understanding punctuation marks. They provide structure and clarity to your writing. We will explore some of the most commonly used punctuation marks. First one is period. The period signifies the end of a sentence. It gives your thoughts a complete final stop. For example, she is an excellent musician. Her performances always captivate the audience. In this example, the period separates two independent clauses, indicating a full stop between two related ideas. Comma. Commas are the traffic signals of your sentences. They separate ideas, items in a list and create pauses for readability. For example, I need to buy apples, bananas, and oranges. The comma in this sentence separates items in a list, making it clear and easier to read. Semicolon. Semicolons link closely related independent clauses and show a stronger connection than a comma, but less than a period. For example, she was a talented painter. Her works were displayed in galleries worldwide. The semicolon connects two closely related independent clauses, emphasizing their connection while maintaining a slight separation. Colon. Colons introduce lists, explanations, or examples. Think of them as the gateway to more information. For example, there are 3 things you must do: study hard, stay focused, and never give up. The colon introduces a list of items, allowing you to provide additional information or details. Exclamation point and question mark. Exclamation points express strong emotions, while question marks indicate questions. Use them sparingly to maintain their impact. For example, what an amazing performance. The exclamation point conveys strong enthusiasm or excitement. Do you want to join us for dinner tonight? The question mark indicates a direct question, inviting a response. Quotation marks. Quotation marks enclose direct speech or quoted material, allowing you to distinguish between your words and someone else's. For example, I will meet you at the park at 3 p.m. The quotation marks make it clear that the words enclosed are a direct quotation of what someone said. Practical usage. It is used for expressing clarity. Punctuation clarifies meaning. Without it, your writing can be confusing, like trying to navigate a maze in the dark. For instance, after eating, the chef walked into the restaurant. Customers were impressed. The lack of punctuation makes the sentence confusing. Adding punctuation, such as commas or periods, would clarify the meaning. Emphasis. Punctuation provides emphasis. It highlights key points and guides your reader's attention. I want you to remember this: hard work pays off. The colon emphasizes the importance of the phrase that follows. Tone and mood. The choice of punctuation can alter the tone and mood of your writing. A period can make a statement sound formal, while an exclamation mark can convey excitement. For instance, thank you for your letter. We appreciate your feedback. The usage of periods in this example maintains a formal and professional tone. Hooray! We won the championship. The exclamation point conveys excitement and celebratory mood. Thank you. Thank you for joining me in this exploring of the power of punctuation.